What's up, YouTube? Benson here. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna go out here. We're gonna try to do some stretch. Hold on, let me stretch it. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out here to the garage and we're gonna do a little working. Yeah, we're gonna go out here. We're gonna find a bone, do a couple things, and then we're gonna I mean, why does this guy keep putting his camera on me? I'm trying to chill. All right, I gotta get some work done. Let's go find a bone. My lens is disgusting. Ew. All right, enough of this. So I'm gonna try to use this. Let me try this again. All right. What are we talking about? It's always part of the problem. Ben, help me out here, bud. What are we talking about? All right. As you can see, I'm in my favorite attire possible. This little jumpsuit. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's beautiful. There ain't no bugs. Oh, I can't say it's beautiful because... Hey! Quit eating that. Get over here. Get over here. You get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Okay. No eating deer poop on my watch. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Why am I doing this? Ew, whoop, back in the garage. Jovi, please go lay down. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're back. Yeah. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. They make me hurt. Oh, there it is. That's the spot. That's what we were looking for. That spot. Okay. All right, so let's talk about this. Let me flip this around, even though I tend to look at the screen and not you. But I'm going to try to look at you. This car. Fact. I 1J swapped it. And really have not drifted it since. Definitely drifted it more with the KA in it than I have with that. But that's only because I'm worried about my fuel issue. So I bought a shitty fuel regulator and it's just like erratic. And it's hard to get to trust. Or it's hard for me to get to the point where I trust it to really just, you know, the cool stuff, the two-stepping and shit. With it like trying to lean out when it gets warm, like that's no go. That's what I've heard. The one thing you don't want to do with 1Js is lean them out. So not gonna do that. Not gonna fuck with it. I don't give a fuck what you say because I don't have any money and I can't play with that right now. It is what it is and it's chilling now. So in the comments, please, I beg you to give me your best shot and try to get me to put money into this or do whatever, but that won't happen. So, but you can rip on me. I can take it. I like it. I think it's funny. And I've heard some good ones. So keep them coming. Next thing, giveaway car. God, I look like a hobo. But again, I don't give a fuck. I just don't care because this is my channel. I can do what I want to do. And that, whoa, God. As you can tell, I get a little distracted. All right. What do you think? Quarter pipe right here? Build a quarter pipe maybe? Because that's what the homies want. And that's kind of what I want. If it's like right here, there's a quarter pipe right here. It could basically just stay there and stay there. So that would be cool. So maybe a quarter pipe right here. Like right here. Whoop. Whoop! And it'd be so cool if I could make this work. Bang! Boop! Boop! Focus. Not there yet, but it will be in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wha-bam! Yeah. So this is gonna solve our speed problem, that's for sure. It's pretty slippery right now, but that'll be a beautiful roll-in. Oh, don't worry, baby. I'm gonna hit you with the time lapse. I'm gonna hit you with the time lapse. Even though I did that shit, I'm gonna hit you with the time lapse. Keep saying that.
I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya. Complicate ya.
What's up, fam? We're back. In a couple days, temperature has dropped dramatically, so it's not the best scenario for vlogging, especially when you're a sandal man like your boy. Look at that, son of a bitch. It has transformed again. Damn, look at this light. Look at my hair, my goodness. Shit's getting too long. Should I cut it? I don't think so. But hey, check this out. Freshies! Be on. Please just be on. It's like 2 inches wide. Never miss, baby. Never miss. Sech. Alright, so reasoning behind this is I always want to have 2 pairs of broken in skates. So I basically skated my black Aeons to oblivion, and I had a pair of Aeons, or I'm sorry, Sebas that I had that I like, but the Sebas are like, I'm trying to get the same kind of feel. Oh man, these kind of feel really good. Like I feel like I got a lot of squat in them, like that. So I'm hoping that these take me back to like the same basic, like the basic feel with like the leather or whatever, but we'll see. They're the 9s, whatever, just the regular 9s, so we're gonna give them a little sesh. Yo! Let's hit that U on that long one over there. That's how I know I got it. Let's try it. Back U. Oh. Maybe you should practice. I should probably practice on that little guy a couple more times. All right, break him in, come on. There she is. How about geese? Hey, leave him alone. What's your problem, yo? They feel good, but my foot still feels like it's coming up a little bit. Like it does not feel like the basics. Hopefully that changes with a little break-in. So let's break them in, you know what I'm saying? To be you. So I really just wanted to get a quick session on these and with the new quarter pipe because I'm bored, it's cold, and none of my friends want to skate. So had to get my new blades out and get them a try. They feel good. Still don't feel as good as the basics, but hey, what can you do? I'll keep skating the Aeons until I find that perfect
Everyone keeps telling me intuition liners, but intuition liners cost more than these, so I don't know about all that. Anything else? Peace and love. You know I love you. Hideous. I don't know if you can see that dust or not, but I can see it, and I hate it. Woo! Peace, love. I'm out.